हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज हम आए हैं RMN के स्कूल श्री राम ग्लोबल में। आज है उनका एथलेटिक मीट। RMN पार्ट ले रहा है टाइकोंडो में। अब कर क्या रहा है ये तो बाद में पता लगेगा। और उसके अलावा मम्मा की भी रेस है, पापा की भी रेस है, और बनता क्या है ये नहीं पता हमें। तो जी असी तो अपने हिसाब ਨਾਲ जल्दी आए सी, पर इतने तो लाइनां लग गई। लगता है असी शायद लेट है। रश ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, 10 बजे का टाइम सीगा यार, 9:50 होए हले तो
यार। वॉलेट पार्किंग के चक्कर में होगा।
आप ही ला लेनी है।
हाँ तो निकलना तो पड़ेगा ना।
कैसे?
आगे वाले निकलेंगे तो निकलोगे।
लगता है वो छिरा जड़ा मार्च में नहीं है, पर ये तो हाउस वाइज ही आ रहे हैं सारे। RMN दिख रहा है इसमें। हाँ RMN नहीं आया इसमें।
बोलोगे फिर आप कौन आवाज में
Naira Bhaskar, district level gymnastic player, won bronze medal. Moving on to Sanvi, state level karate champion. This torch is a symbol of hope, strength, and eternal spirit of sportsmanship. Now we have Digansh Puri, best wicket keeper in Everest Cricket League. Moving on to Manni, state level karate champion, passing the torch of responsibility to Mansirar, our national level karate champion, won gold medal. Having the sacred torch to Divyansh Mani, skating champion, won 2 gold medals, 1 silver, 1 bronze, and a huge round of applause for our young athletes. And now passing the torch to our school sports captain, Sanay Bhaskar, state and district level badminton player, won first position and made us feel proud. I request everyone to kindly applaud for them. Rayansh Mani won 2 gold medals in interstate skating championship. Krishan, gold medal winner in karate championship. Parents, I can't hear the loud clap. Then winning or losing. March past is led by school head girl Naira Bhaskar and head boy Mandeep Singh, followed by the school captain Sanay Bhaskar and vice captain Digansh Puri. Proudly holding the school flag, followed by houses Arabhat, Chanakya, Panini and Shishrita. Maitli holding the red flag of Arabhat house, followed by vice captain Dhriti. Tiana is leading Chanakya house, holding yellow flag with the vice captain Janki Khosla. Mevan, captain of Panini house, followed by Riyad Sharora as a vice captain, and Janki as a house captain of Shishrita house, holding the blue flag with
यही है।
vice captain
देख रहा है देख रहा है।
Monica, displaying discipline, unity, and true sportsmanship. Let's acknowledge their effort with a round of applause as they are passing the saluting base. I request everyone to kindly clap for them. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is the true spirit of sports, fair play, discipline, and teamwork. See how beautifully they are moving, marching towards such a wonderful movement and beautiful smile. To remind us all these values, we now invite our school sports captain, Sunny Bhaskar, to lead the athletes in taking the sports oath.
And strive for excellence on the field.
May this evening. So students, who are we? Who are we? Once again, who are we? And let's count together. 3, 2, 1, and here are school baskets, the blazers. Balloons are soaring high, painting the blue sky, depicting the spirit of enthusiasm of players through this our SRGN, sending a message to the world. We are! We are!
अपने से रहेंगे
We are Senior Glow. Hey, we rising grand. We are Senior Glow, but hey, we rising grand. We are Senior Glow. Hey, we rising.
Down. On rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Start running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3. Makes a hard work of our young man and help us make country proud.
Come on, parents, keep cheering for them. Of a youngster.
With their tiny get their perfect coordination and the cheer for spirits. Full of energy, full of passion. Beautifully they are moving. I request everyone to keep on cheering them. I agree, watching your kids performing is good, but cheering them is far better than this. Your cheers, your claps, encourage them to do
fighting. It is about focus, control, and confidence. Let us welcome our talented students as they demonstrate powerful self-defense technique.
And here they go.
बब्बे भी अच्छे
I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Gurdev Singh Ji, ACP Traffic Ludhiana. I request everyone to kindly welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Now it's time to formally welcome our chief guest of the day, and I request Shred sir and Sakshi ma'am to kindly welcome sir.
With sharp minds and strong spirits, our champions are ready to present breathtaking formations and energetic exercises. So please put your hands together for them.
From perfectly synchronized formations to practical self-defense techniques, our students are about to inspire us all. A big round of applause for their mental health and physically health.
Each movement reflects hours of practice, patience, and perseverance.
And here we are going to show you the different formations. See how beautifully and disciplined they are, making formations, taking the school in front of you. A huge round of applause.
These disciplined performers display courage, coordination, and commitment through their incredible martial art moves.
And here we are going to show you the self-defense techniques. Mahamani, Sanvi, and now it's time for Mansira to move ahead. And here she goes. Wow, what a beautifully she has done. Taking their positions back.
Let us applaud for these young warriors for reminding us that true strength comes from discipline, respect, and self-control. Good health is the foundation of a strong mind. Today, our talented gymnasts remind us that physical agility is just as important as academic excellence. So come on, parents, you need to keep cheering for them, louder and louder.
And here comes our tiny little kids of different
Come on, parents, you need to keep cheering for them. As we focus on studies to sharpen our minds, we must also strengthen our bodies. Let us welcome our energetic gymnasts who balance both with grace and dedication.
Balance in the body, courage in the heart. Let's cheer our little gymnasts.
Come on, parents, watch them closely. This is where strength meets grace.
How beautifully they are performing. Now, see the ribbons, the flowers, and the jumps. Pyramid.
The physical fitness builds confidence, improves concentration, and keeps the stress away. Watch as the students showcase flexibility, balance, and determination through their gymnastics performance. Come on, parents! You need to keep cheering for them, not just the parents, the students as well.
Here is our GS. This is the place where strength meets the grace. Moving back to their respective tents, see the coordination even while coming and moving.
Applaud the discipline behind every perfect landing.
And now, we also recognize. And here they go.
Look at those tiny feet moving so fast. Running and here goes the clap. Look at them, the girls running as fast as they can. Eyes towards the finishing line. And here we have our first round, the second and third.
Give a huge round of applause.
And here goes the final clap. Come on, get up. Come on, finish the race.
Round of applause for their 100% participation.
And now, moving on to the next.
Anyone who drops and pick up the cone will not be recorded as a winner. I repeat, will not be recorded as a winner, even if she finishes the first. Come on, girls, fast!
Let's see who maintains the perfect balance and claims the victory. All the best, ready girls.
It's all about balance.
Oi.
See who masters the perfect balance. And they are the winners.
And here we go. The higher the hurdle, the stronger the lead.
Thank you very much. Good morning to all. बहुत ही सत्कारयोग गर्ग फैमिली श्री शौकत जी पर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੋਰ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ 'ਚ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਫੇਅਰਵੈਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਕੂਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਫੇਅਰਵੈਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਦੇ ਮਾਪਿਓ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਜਬੂਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਰੋਡਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ 'ਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਸਖਤੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਆਊਟਰ ਏਰੀਆ ਲੱਭ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਰੈਸ਼ ਡਰਾਈਵਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਖੜਦੁੰਮ ਮਚਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਏਜ ਉਸ ਮੋੜ ਤੇ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਵਾਨੀ 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ, ਪਰੰਤੂ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਰੈਸ਼ ਡਰਾਈਵਿੰਗ, ਨੈਗਲੀਜੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਡੇਂਜਰਸ ਡਰਾਈਵਿੰਗ ਬਹੁਤ ਗੰਭੀਰ ਮੁੱਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮਸਤੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਸਤੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਵਿਵਸਥਾ 'ਚ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ, ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ।
We have grade 1 boys, 50 meters up. Shravan, Uday Pratap, Ayan Sam.
And here they go. Grade 1 boys, straight 50-meter race.
And we have the winners.
Good job, guys.
It's an honor to welcome Mr. Getting for the final climb. Faster, faster.
Come on, girls, your eyes should be on the finishing line. And we have a winner.
A grade
My
2 ਦੇ
respected guests.
I'm very fond of sports personally, so special thanks to Kunj Bhai for having me in this event. Don't have much to say because kids won't understand me, parents might not be interested, and I have to rush for a duty at Moga. So without taking any time for this wonderful campus, the wonderful facilities that
ये
you are
बंदा है
giving to all the
चाचा,
kids,
सब पता है।
and setting the foundation stone for
क्यों?
their
पेरेंट का कोई
future
इंटरेस्ट
life.
नहीं है।
I believe kindergarten is the first step towards a better future, and the school is gaining from strength to strength. We've been in touch with you for so long, and I've observed that over the period of years, you've done a really wonderful job, brick by brick, block by block. Now this school is shaping up as one of the finest institutions, laying the foundation stones of all the lovely kids of this region. And I really wish and I really hope that this school it makes a mark for itself in not only in the region but all across the country. And I hope that once these kids grow up, they carry all the fond memories which they've made in this school, all the pictures they reflect back upon these events, and every day that they spend here at this institution would make their life better. With this, I'll conclude my speech. Thank you all for bearing, and I really wish that you all guys have a wonderful time watching your little kids do all the activities. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
And go! Parents, kindly cheer them up as they are running fast.
And here we can see them in the lead.
Go now!
And here we have our winners. 2 boys.
I repeat the names of grade 2 boys, Arvind, Gunnar, and waiting for the final clap.
Congratulations to all the girls. Your sportsmanship makes you a true champion.
Moving on to next, presenting our academic award. Dear students, this is our inter-house competition. We are giving awards to the winners as per their house. This is not just speed, this is the teamwork in motion.
This was the
आरएमएन दे हाउस में 140 है, 125, 115।
Today would be your
अभी मम्मा जा रही है आरएमएन को लेने।
Thank you, sir, for actively participating in the sports day.
चलो बेटा।
आरमन क्या किया तूने यार, आज मजा आ गया है? मेरी बात सुन, वो हुआ क्या कर रहा था?
मैम करवा दी थी।
क्या?
हमारा हाउस जीत गया ना।
तुम्हारा हाउस तो लास्ट में जीता है अभी।
फर्स्ट है।
हैं? भाई बहुत बढ़िया बजे यार।
फर्स्ट आया था।
हैं?
हमारा हाउस फर्स्ट आया।
हाँ मजा आया आज तो है। पर तू भागता तो मजा आता है, मुझे लगता तू जीत जाता है। जैसे बच्चे भाग रहे थे उनसे तो तू भाग ही लेता तेज है नहीं? फिनिश हो गया, अब तुम्हारे एग्ज़ाम शुरू हो जाएंगे बस।
रफ्तार से चल पड़ी, जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई।
हमारा ये वक्त हमारा जो एक बार गया तो आए ना दोबारा, समझ लो जरा ये हवाओं का इशारा मेरे यारों। अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो, जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो।